Thank you for choosing HealBoxx and prioritizing your mental health. In this video, let's see how to use the HealBoxx app from the user end. Login process. When you open the app, you will see two options, professional login and user login. Click on user login. Professional login is only for psychologists and doctors. Enter your registered mobile number. Within a few seconds, you will receive an OTP via SMS to your registered number. Enter the OTP and log in. This is a one-time process. The next time you open the app, you will be logged in automatically. Once you enter the app, click the menu icon, 3 lines on the dashboard and select the wallet option. Recharge your wallet with a minimum amount of rupees 100. Once the recharge is successful, the amount will be added to your wallet. Now you are ready to connect with professionals. In HealBoxx, you can connect with professionals in 2 ways, instant meeting and appointment. Instant meeting. If you need immediate help, go to the home screen. You will see professionals who are currently online. For online professionals, will have a green indicator around their profile picture. Select a professional, check their pricing and choose your preferred mode. Chat, voice call, video call. Click on Instant Meeting. Your 3-minute request timer will start. Your request will be sent to the professional. Once they accept, you will receive a notification. Your call will appear in the booking section on the home screen. Click on it to connect. The call will continue based on your wallet balance, so ensure you have sufficient funds. Appointment booking. If you prefer a scheduled session, go to the Expert tab. Choose a professional based on your problem. Check their available time slots. Select your preferred slot and mode of communication, then book the appointment. Appointments are typically for a minimum of 1 hour, so ensure your wallet has sufficient balance. Once the appointment is confirmed, you will receive a notification at the scheduled time. Your booking will appear on the home screen. Click on it to join the session. Reward system. After your call ends, wait for a few seconds. You will receive reward coins. These coins can be converted into wallet balance and used for future sessions. Dashboard features. From the dashboard menu, you can access profile, view and edit your name, number and profile picture. My bookings. View all sessions, ongoing, upcoming, requested, completed, cancelled. Wallet. Check balance and recharge. Coin balance. View and convert coins into wallet balance. Call history. View call duration and charges. Transaction history. View detailed payment records. My orders. Track your HealBoxx product orders. In the shop section, you can purchase mental health wellness products like journals, couple cards. They are coming soon. HealBoxx Premium. HealBoxx offers a premium subscription at Rs 199 per month. Benefits include 13 to 15% discount on every call, Rs 1000 worth of psychology worksheets shared via WhatsApp or email. Start your journey with HealBoxx today and take control of your mental health well-being with the right professional support.